Join me as I challenge myself to start trading futures like a pro in 2025 and see if I can really make it happen. Futures trading has been gaining popularity over the past few years, and it's easy to see why. The ability to trade on a wide range of markets, from stocks to commodities and even cryptocurrencies, makes it an attractive option for traders looking to diversify their portfolios. And with the rise of online trading platforms, it's never been easier to get started. But what's holding you back from joining the ranks of successful futures traders? One of the biggest misconceptions about trading futures is that it's only for seasoned professionals with years of experience. But the truth is, anyone can learn to trade futures, regardless of their background or experience level. However, it's true that futures trading can be complex, especially for beginners. There are many different markets to choose from, and each one has its own unique characteristics and risks. Another challenge that beginners face is risk management. When you're trading futures, you're dealing with larger positions and potentially larger losses, which can be intimidating. But the key is to understand how to manage your risk effectively and to always keep your losses in check. Futures trading also requires a solid understanding of technical analysis. This can be overwhelming for new traders who may not be familiar with the different charts and indicators that are used to analyze market trends. But with practice and patience, anyone can learn to use technical analysis to their advantage. And finally, there's the fear of loss. Let's face it, losing money is a very real possibility when you're trading futures, and it can be a major obstacle for beginners. But the key is to approach trading with a clear head and a solid understanding of the risks involved. By doing so, you can minimize your losses and maximize your gains. So, how can you navigate the futures market effectively? One of the most important things you can do is to develop a solid trading plan. This should include your goals, your risk management strategy, and your approach to technical analysis. By having a clear plan in place, you can avoid impulsive decisions and stay focused on your long-term goals. Another key strategy is to stay up to date with market trends and analysis. This means staying informed about news and events that could affect the markets, as well as using technical indicators to identify potential trading opportunities. It's also important to understand your own psychology and how it affects your trading decisions. As a trader, you'll inevitably experience losses, and it's how you respond to those losses that will determine your long-term success. By understanding your own strengths and weaknesses, you can develop a more disciplined approach to trading. And finally, don't be afraid to adapt to changing market conditions. The futures market is constantly evolving, and you need to be able to adapt quickly to stay ahead of the curve. This means being flexible with your trading plan and being willing to adjust your strategy as needed. So, what's the one crucial tip that can significantly improve your trading success? In my opinion, it's the importance of discipline. As a trader, you'll be faced with a constant stream of trading opportunities, and it's how you respond to those opportunities that will determine your success. By staying disciplined and focused on your long-term goals, you can avoid impulsive decisions and stay on track. It's also important to understand the importance of risk management. By limiting your potential losses, you can protect your capital and stay in the game for the long haul. And finally, don't underestimate the power of perseverance. Trading futures can be tough, especially for beginners. There will be times when you'll experience losses and feel like giving up. But the key is to keep pushing forward, even in the face of adversity. In conclusion, trading futures like a pro in 2025 is definitely achievable, but it requires discipline, patience, and a solid understanding of the markets. By following the strategies and tips outlined in this video, you can take your trading to the next level and achieve long-term success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments about trading futures. Have you had any success or challenges trading futures? Let me know. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more trading tips and strategies.